Hi, everybody. This is Carlita Nelson, and I am going to come here and share with you guys our new consultant tracker form to be able to help you understand what it is we use this form and how we use it, because I think it's really helpful to make sure that we're crossing all our T's and dotting all our I's whenever we are either launching a brand new consultant or we are a new consultant and we are getting started in our business. I really love this form because I think it actually has like a dual purpose. I think it's going to be very helpful for the new consultant. If they pick it up and look at it, they can think of it more or less as, am I on track to do everything I need to be doing for my business? And we like to, put this timeline on it so that we're not stretching this out too long, and that we're really developing and studying and being intentional with getting the skill sets built up to be able to successfully and confidently go out and share Arbonne. But if you're also a brand new consultant and you are, adding and bringing on dream team people to your team, you may be like, okay, I'm just getting started myself. What do I need to do to make sure that I'm helping my friends and family that are starting with me get everything that they need so that I don't miss out and give them and equip them with what they need to be successful. So this can be for, me, the most seasoned consultant who is really busy and maybe lose track and go, okay, wait a minute, let me look and make sure that Sarah's doing great and make sure we've gone along and that I have gotten an action plan from her and I do know what her whys are and she is all set up and connected to all of the things that we do to support her. So this is just something that helps keep me on track because I'm busy. But if you are younger consultant launching new people or a brand new consultant that's launching, it really is just a great guide to help you know all the things that we can do to make sure that we are covering all our bases and that we are not, struggling out there trying to figure something out simply because we didn't know that we needed to be learning about it or getting prepared for it. So this is just where you would write in the consultant name. Or if it's you, put your name on here and then, start adding your people, but then start checking off all the things that you have done and accomplished and understand, maybe not completely, but that you are aware about it and where the resources are to learn about it and to be asking your upline and sponsors what you need to know about these things so that you can understand them completely. But I want you to know that, getting signed up and ordering your product packages, your Arbonne special value packs, and getting your calendar full, using the booking verbiage that we know has a system in it that gets you, action and activity out of everybody, no matter where they are most comfortable helping you start that out and start working your action plan are key things to getting you started in this business. And so even though we've got several things on here, they're all important, but just start at the top because these are the things that are going to get you equipped and set up to get maximum results out of your business. So like I said, this is dual purpose. It's for the person who's launching the new consultant, and it's also for the new consultant themselves to track along in your first 30 days and know, how am I doing? So this just sort of lets you remember and help recall that the recipe for success in Arbonne is that we do 6 things. We schedule appointments, we sponsor people, preferred clients and consultants, we sell products, we serve our customers and our consultants on our team by teaching and training and connecting them to support, we self-develop, and we stay connected to the people that know how to do Arbonne and are successful at it. These are the different tools that are on your NVP's website, and they're all the tools up here that you're being led to learn how, but this is where you're going to find them, is on your NVP's website. And then I love this little box right here because there's so many things that we can do because we literally run our business from our phone today. And if we have these apps on our phone and our iBooks or our iPad and computer, then we have the things that we need to truly be mobile with our business and to run our business from our phone. So these are just helpful little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You sit here and you get this app, you get that app, and you're good to go. This is a checklist for. It's a little more detailed checklist for the person who is launching a new consultant. But again, if you're the new consultant and you want to go, hey, am I getting launched and getting everything I need? If not, I'm going to go get it. Go through this and make sure that you have done all the things that are on here to ensure that you're getting an effective launch. This is what you would be doing with your business plan meeting with your VP. And then getting ready to get your activity scheduled and execute your activity, and then make sure that you're connected to all the tracking for success goal sheets and trackers that we have to keep you making sure that you know you've got everything you need. So this is just this tool that I know is out there and that I think is helpful. If you're one of the people that, want to do this business with excellence and want to make sure that you're not missing out on anything that would make it easier for you, but also help you be more successful. So I hope this helps and it gives you guidance. And if you have any questions about it, get with your upline VP and let them know, and they'll be happy to help you. And just know that this is, if you're doing all of this and you're getting it done in the first 30 days and helping your new team get it done in their first 30 days, then you are right on track to enjoy and expect success in Arbonne. I wish you all the very best.